everyone, it's your girl Sukie. Many clients of ours tend to use 很 all the time before taking our HSK 123 course, which is very normal because 很 is a very easy and a very common word that people use every day. It means very, and we use 很 before an adjective. For example, 今天天气很好. 今天天气很好. The weather is very nice today. 我很饿. 我很饿. I'm very hungry. These expressions are not wrong, but they are plain facts and don't really have any emotions in them. So in this video, I'm going to show you some alternatives that native speakers usually use. The first one is 挺, 挺, 特影挺, 特影挺. It means very pretty. There is a popular TV drama named 都挺好, all is well. I mentioned it in one of my previous videos where I recommend a few TV shows to you guys. So if you want to say it's very cold outside, you can say 外面挺冷的, 外面挺冷的. 外面挺冷的. It sounds better than 外面很冷. 外面很冷 is like a robot telling you it's very cold outside. Next one is 好, 好, 好. It means very or so. This is probably the easiest replacement for 很, and personally I use 好 way more often than 很 in my daily life. You don't normally hear elderly or senior people saying this word before an adjective because it's a relatively new application of 好 compared with 很. The difference is that 好 sounds very soft, very gentle, very cute and sweet. Let me give you an example so that you can visualize the difference between 好 and 很. Let's say you are walking on the street and there is a person walking by who looks very much like your favorite idol. So you can say 好帅啊 or 好美啊. And 帅 is handsome, 美 is beautiful. Did you notice my facial expression? 好帅啊, 好美啊. I look very excited, right? But if I use 很 instead of 好, I'll be like 很帅, 很美. Okay, next one is 太, 太, 特爱, 太. It means too. Okay, 太, 太. So if it is 30 Celsius degrees today, you can say 今天很热. It's a very hot day. But if it is 40 Celsius degree today, you can say 今天太热了, which is like, oh my god, it's too freaking hot today. Okay, so 今天太热了, 今天太热了. Next one is 够, 够, 够哦够, 够哦够. It means enough or quite, sufficiently. When you want to say it as a confirmation or a compliment, this word will do the tricks. So for example, 今天够冷的啊. 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 Okay, 今天够冷的啊. When you say this sentence to another person, you know that the other person will agree with you that it is very cold today. So you probably get a reply like 是够冷的, 是够冷的, which means yeah, very cold, isn't it? And when you see your little niece wearing the Elsa dress from Frozen, you can say 够漂亮的呀, 够漂亮的呀, which is like, oh, look at you, don't you look so pretty? The next one is 非常, 非常, which is awfully or highly. 南极非常冷, 南极非常冷. It's awfully cold in the South Pole. 这种行为非常令人反感. 这种行为非常令人反感. Such behaviors are awfully disgusting. And next one is 相当, 相当, 相当. It means quite. 电子商务在中国相当发达. 电子商务在中国相当发达. E-commerce is quite advanced in China. 他相当厉害. 他相当厉害. He's quite good at it. 他相当厉害. And next one is 异常, 异常, abnormally or exceptionally. 今年雨水异常多. 今年雨水异常多. The rainfall is abnormally heavy this year. 今年雨水异常多. 他今天异常兴奋. 他今天异常兴奋. He's exceptionally excited today. 他今天异常兴奋. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. Check out our course HSK 123 in 30 days if you want to learn more practical and authentic Chinese expressions that we use every day. I'll put the link in the description below. And in the meantime, follow me on Instagram at Sukie Chinese and subscribe to this channel. My name is Sukie, and I'll see you next one. Bye!